Today we are making our basic pudding buttercream. Sorry, I suck at piping, but even though the kitchen was unusually hot, the cream is holding its shape. I really like this cream as it is lighter than the regular buttercream, but still tastes amazing. So, you'll need for the pudding 60 gram flour, 2 egg yolks, 900 milliliters milk, 300 gram sugar, and of course 250 gram butter. If you don't want to bother making your pudding from scratch, get yourself those instant puddings. You'll probably need 2 packages to get the right consistency. First, we toss in the sugar and flour. As I want to have some vanilla flavor, I added vanilla sugar, but you don't have to. You can add whatever you like. You can even add cacao to make a chocolate pudding. You'll probably need to add a bit more milk for that though. Mix those dry ingredients a bit and add the egg yolks and a bit from our 900 milliliter milk to dissolve this mix. If you do this step, you won't get any clumps in the puddings later on. Then get your milk to boil and pour our milky mixture into it. But you got to stir it constantly. Sugar and milk just tends to stick on the bottom, and we don't want any burnt pudding, or do we? Nope, we don't. Get this whole pudding to boil and turn the stove off. I didn't film this, but you have to close the pudding with a plastic wrap when it's still hot. And I mean the pudding, not the pot. The plastic wrap should be on the pudding so that it won't form a thick skin. If you should forget that, I mean, we're just humans, you can just get the thick skin or film or however you call it off with a spoon and continue working with that. It's no big loss. Now you got to whisk the hell out of that butter. The longer you make this, the better, if you ask me. It gets really fluffy usually. Why do I stress usually? Because, like I said, the kitchen was real hot that day, so I just started to add the pudding bit by bit. And that's basically it. If you like some color, add a bit of that too. Just be careful with the coloring. Not that you'd get a stronger color that you didn't want to have. So always add just teensy bit and then see how the color goes. You can use this buttercream to put between layers of cake or pipe your cupcakes with it. Here I air quote, decorated a small cake and I failed horribly. I'm terribly sorry. I will learn it eventually. We made this video as we'll be using buttercreams in a variety of videos and we didn't want to sidetrack those with this recipe. Or just bore you, you know? As usual, the recipe is in the description below. And don't forget to check out our other videos and help us grow by liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.